Hey guys, welcome back to the G-Force channel. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about our new Godzilla Swap Mustang Kit. In front of me I have our stainless steel headers bolted to our Godzilla Swap block. Talk a little bit about the headers here. So these are made in the USA. They're 2-inch primaries into 3-inch exhaust. Comes with either an H or an X pipe, high flow catalytic converters, all your clamps that you need, high temp RTV, as well as the bolts to bolt them to your engine. Some other components that come in our swap kit for the S197 Mustang is the Godzilla lift plate. So this makes it really easy to lift this heavy engine in and out of your vehicle without trying to bolt a chain to the heads and have a disaster happen there. Another thing included in the kit is our motor mounts. So these are a direct bolt-in for the Godzilla into the S197 Mustang. We also include our oil cooler block off for the Godzillas. This essentially bolts to down by the oil pan, and it deletes your oil cooler because that gets in the way of K-members for any Godzilla swap. Some of these components can be used in other engine swaps, but this is our comprehensive Mustang S197 swap kit for the Godzillas. If you want to find out more about this swap kit and other engine components, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.